Guys, so something a bit different from me today. So I don't know about you, but when it comes to people's fridges and freezers, I'm a little bit nosy to see what's inside. So there is 6 of us in this house, so let's see what's in ours. So this is our fridge. So we've got 3 milks in here. These will be gone within 2 days. We do have 2 pops in here as well, but they only get drunk on a weekend if we're watching a film or something, so that's like our little special treat. Yogurts, all these yogurts, but my kids eat so many yogurts. I don't know about your kids, but it doesn't matter what age they are. First of all, we used to start off with the little ones, and now the big ones, these will just be gone. It's crazy. This is a week's shopping, this is, for 6 of us. All them eggs. My kids, I think it's the fact that obviously they're off school, and we're homeschooling, but at the moment my kids are going through eggs like nothing. They want fried egg, they want scrambled egg, they want boiled eggs, fried egg or eggy bread, they want everything. What else do we have? So we have butter, ham in there as well, and yeah, that will all be gone. Fruit, we've got our grapes, we've got our strawberries. I don't know about your kids, but my kids love strawberries. They are their favourite. We've got these big huge leeks in here. This will be for our stews in the week. We've got 3 of them. Look at the size of them now. There are big leeks. And look at these oranges. Look at these. See, so we go to Tesco's. We shop at Tesco's, but we also go to the farm shop and get our fruit and stuff as well. I think it's so much better to support your local shops, local farms and stuff as well. Look at the size of this onion. I need to use this one up today. And then we have all our veg in here. Look at all that. Look at it all. But this all will get eaten by 6 of us. By next week we'll be going back to the farm shop. And peppers, look at the size of these peppers. So we do like to eat as healthy as we can. Now what do we have here? Oh, mayonnaise, salad cream, that's nearly all gone now. What gets eaten more in your, what sauce is used more in your house? Ours is salad cream and mayonnaise. This one's not even open yet. Oh, and sweet chilli sauce. Sweet chilli sauce is a favourite in our house. That one was in the cupboard. Found that one the other day in the cupboard. Then we have our jams. We love our jams as well. And we couldn't get any pasta sauce the other day, so Mr. Mick thought, do you know what, I'm just going to buy the catering sauce. So yeah, got lots of that left. So yeah. There are 6 of us in our house. We go to the butcher's and we get all our meat and stuff because it works out cheaper for us. So we have everything in here is from the butcher's, most of it anyway, and we've got our bread in here because we have to buy extra bread because it'll be gone straight away. Sometimes we can go through loads of bread, then sometimes we don't go through a lot of bread. So you won't find much of anything else except meat in here. So we have chicken, sausages, lamb. What else do we have? It's just full. It's full of meat because we cook from scratch. We prefer to do that because it's costs us less to do that, to cook our meals from scratch. So that's what we do. But yeah, let me know what you do. Do you buy from the butchers? Do you buy from your local shops, from Tesco's, Asda? What do you do? I mean, sometimes we do, but we do prefer to go to the butchers and stock up on our meat and stuff.